today we learn something. It's very important to a person want to learn creating animation or 3D or anything. It's Blender. Go to Google and search and Blender. We click in download and wait. After download, we just click in next to the finish the download and welcome to Blender. It's very easy. Okay, we open Blender right now and wait just a second, and this the menu and that's the project. Okay, we have many suggestions and many things. In this video, we know how to work. This is not very important now, but after we will learn how to use. Okay, this to see the object of all angles. It's important. Okay, like this. Or rotate views or like this. Okay, we just click in Z or E or, and this from zoom in or zoom out. This for the move. Okay. Like this. This camera and and the keyboard shortcuts. We click in 0. Okay, this for move the object or camera or elimination like this. And the last one to plan. Like this. And this to move or we go right or left up, okay, like this. This to rotate the object or like this. Okay. And this to zoom on or zoom out. In the shortcut in keyboard, we click in S and we zoom the object how to want. Okay, like this. This is to all this. And if you want to come back, we click in Control plus Z. Okay. If you want to shortcut, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, we click in Control plus S, and we click Control plus S like X or E or Z. Yeah. And just we will learn. And this table to anything to you do in place to work. Blender right here. Okay. And just that I want to learn something new, and we have many suggestions like layout, shading, on shading, or we in the next video we know uh, more and more about Blender, and I wish to learn something good and help you to understand Blender easily. And don't worry, this is simple, and we'll learn together. It's normal. And bye. See you in another video.